Welcome to Happy Friday, where this week we're talking about the top 5 travel apps. So number 1 is Skyscanner. I'm sure we've all used the website. If not, then Skyscanner is a way to find the cheapest flights between two places. So yes, you can filter. You can do things like I only want to have one stop or no stops. It will even do things like mix up different airlines, so fly you out with one airline and fly you back with another. It displays it all in a really nice way, the sort of standard way, or via charts. So that's number 1 is the Skyscanner app. Number 2 is Airbnb. Again, you must have been hiding under a rock if you've not heard of Airbnb, but if you have been under a rock, then Airbnb is a way where instead of staying in hotels, you stay in other people's houses. Sometimes the entire place, in some cases just a room. It usually works out a lot cheaper, and it means you can do things like cook for yourself and be a bit more like a local than just staying in a hotel and living out of a suitcase. Airbnb have a massive selection. They reckon something like more than 4 million homes in 191 countries, so you're bound to be able to find something. I've actually had loads of direct experience myself. I've used it to stay. And we also rent out a holiday cottage using Airbnb, and we find the system to be really good and the app to be decent too. Number 3 is HotelTonight. This is a way, as the name suggests, to find last minute deals on hotels. Started off as just for tonight. You can also do a couple of days in advance, or now they've made it up to sort of 3 months. Includes filters for things like price and star ratings, and there's also reviews within there so you can see what other people think. Number 4 on the list is an app called Packpoint. This is a fabulous app. So this is for making sure you pack all the right things for the type of holiday and the weather you're going to be expecting on that holiday. So what I used to do was use Evernote and just have a list for sort of ski holidays and that kind of thing and tick those off as I packed. Now there's the Packpoint app that does exactly that, and it's designed purely to do so. So great idea, and like I say, you can say it's a ski holiday and going here, and it will give you an appropriate packing list. So really cool idea. And finally, number 5 is the XE currency app. If you're anything like me, then when you're abroad, you have no idea how much things cost, and you end up rounding things up to stupid amounts. With the XE currency app, it includes, I think, up to 10 different currency exchanges. You can obviously search and store those, but the really good thing is, even if you've got no data, then the thing works offline. Yes, it will pull all the latest exchange rates down when you do have data connection, if you're on Wi-Fi or on your roaming data, but if you don't have a connection, it still works. So rather than do what you usually have to do, which is sort of go into Google and search it, you've got that and it works offline. So that's it. That's our top 5 travel apps. So if you use any of these, or if you've got another suggestion, then please just leave a comment below. As usual, there's all the links to all these apps below as well, and see you next week.